In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get started with Polymarket and set up the Discord for prediction markets. When you're in the wealth group community here, you're going to go to roles, go to the prediction markets tab, click on Sharps Plays and Prediction Plays. The next step, go to prediction plays or prediction chat, click on the top here where it says polymarket.com/John. It's going to redirect you to the Polymarket website. Now, once you sign up to this link, you're going to get specified rewards and bonuses tied to John's referral link, which I recommend you guys do so. The next step after this is setting up a VPN. Polymarket is banned in 34 different countries, and that includes the United States. So you will need to use a VPN to bypass restrictions. I currently live in the United States and use Colombia as my area to bypass, but you can generally use any country in Latin America, parts of Asia, Africa, and some European countries to bypass if you are in a restricted region. So once you have your VPN set up, you're going to go to sign up. You're going to either continue with Google or use an email address. Once you have verified your account, you're going to click on deposit. You can either use crypto or cash. I use crypto just because it's easier for me. Now, sports betting in Wealth Group is very popular and you can sports bet on Polymarket. So we're going to break down some of the spreads as well as some of the ways that you can sports bet inside of Polymarket. For today's example, we're going to use the Ducks versus Golden Knights NHL game. And as you can see, you have three different ways to sports bet: moneyline, spread, and total. What is a moneyline? Moneyline is the simplest way to sports bet. You're betting on who's going to win the game. What is a spread? A spread is a handicap added to a game to balance a matchup for betting. The favorite gets a negative number and the underdog gets a positive number. So here's an example. So Vegas Knights is a -1.5. Vegas must win by 2 or more goals. If they win 3-2, your bet loses. Now, if you choose Anaheim for a +1.5, they need to either win the game or lose by only 1. But if they lose 5-2, your bet loses. Here's a quick rule of thumb. A negative spread, team must win by more. A positive spread gets a cushion. Now, what is a over and under? This is a wager on the total combined score in a game. So in this instance, you must choose over 6.5, which means the total score must be 7 or more. And under 6.5 means the total score must be 6 or less. Let's do a moneyline example as well as a spread example that John just sent out. The moneyline example, I'm going to bet that the Golden Knights are going to beat the Anaheim Ducks today, and I'm going to market enter. Just going to put in $100. I'm betting $100 to win $62. You're gonna buy Golden Knights, and it pops up just right under here as confirmed. Now let's use John's example. He's betting on the Spurs to win on a spread of -9.5. He has a limit order price at 54 cents. Let's go back to Polymarket, go to NBA, betting on the Spurs, spread -9.5. He has a limit at 54 cents. Putting in 100 shares, so I'm betting a total of $54 to win $98. In Polymarket, you have a lot of different types of predictions you can make. As you can see at the top here, you have politics, sports, crypto, esports, finance, geopolitics, a ton more options. It's not just sports betting, but just like trading, you need to have a strict risk management protocol. If you guys have any questions, just go into the prediction market chats. Myself, as well as moderators, will help you navigate Polymarket and prediction markets.